Alright, so welcome to a different garage. This one is in the mountains of Maryland, so here I am in the mountains of Maryland. You can see a Chamberlain remote. So what do I have installed? Well, I'll show you. There are two Chamberlain B2215’s here. I literally just installed them today. And here we are. Now, this door actually has a broken spring, but we have it secured with the U-bolt right now until we can get a tech out here. But for now, here it is. So, we'll start with the near door. Okay, and now we'll do the far door. And that's about it. I say these run pretty well. I'll probably be coming back here, so yeah. Anyways, see you in the next video.